It is the FT232H USB to everything breakout. So this is useful for running a computer through USB to this board and then plug into this general purpose I/O, I2C, SPI. I have a USB cable that's plugged into my computer, and then that's going to the FT232H. Then over the STEMMA QT cable, I'm going to a little temperature sensor here, and then continuing along on that same I2C bus over to this little 0.91-inch OLED display. I'm running a Python program on my computer, querying the temperature off of this and the time off of the computer, and then displaying those at the top there. It's changing every, I think, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. I'm also querying my CPU load on the computer. It is the FT232H USB to everything breakout.